Good morning, students. So you asked about lab manual, and I have prepared the list of the experiments which we have to do in the lab manual. Total there are 8 experiments, but there are some subparts of the experiments also. But we have to do total 8 experiments only. So in first experiment we will do its first part, that is 1.1, to find out the mass of given meter scale. We will not mention experiment 1.1, we will mention experiment 1 and then M to find the mass of the given meter scale. And second one, our experiment second will be to determine the velocity ratio and mechanical advantage of given pulley system, which is marked as experiment 3 in your lab manual. So you will mention experiment 2 and this experiment to determine the velocity ratio and mechanical advantage of given pulley system. Third is to trace the course of different rays of light through a rectangular glass slab at different angles of incidence, refraction and emergence. Also measure the lateral displacement. This is experiment number 4 in your lab manual, but we will mark experiment 3 and then we will write down this one experiment. Our next experiment is experiment number 4, which is marked as 5.1 in your lab manual. So to determine the focal length of a convex lens by distant object method. This is our fourth experiment. Then fifth experiment is marked as 6.1 in your lab manual. So to trace the path of a ray of light through a prism and show that I1 plus I2 is equal to A plus delta. That is angle of incidence plus angle of emergence is equal to prism angle plus deviation, angle of deviation. Next experiment number 6, which is marked as 7.1 in your lab manual, that is to calculate the specific heat of the material of the given calorimeter from the temperature reading and masses of cold water, warm water and its mixture taken in calorimetry. Next, experiment 7 is marked as 8.1 in your lab manual, that is to verify Ohm's law and hence find the value of unknown resistance. Last experiment, experiment number 8, which is marked as 8.2 in the lab manual, to set up a model of household wiring circuit including main wiring circuit and to study the function of switches and fuses. These are the total 8 experiments which we have to do in the lab manual. First of all, we will mention experiments not as 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. We will directly mention experiment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till experiment number 8. Next thing, you will see the aim of the experiment and accordingly you will write its aim. That means I am saying that many subparts are also given in each experiment. So accordingly, first you have to match which one you have to do and then you have to do in the lab manual. Next thing is, we will not mention date right now, neither in the index and not during the experiment. That means when we will mention the readings for the experiment, at that time we will mention the dates. So we will not mention date. And the next thing is diagrams and observation tables that should be done on the white page, that is left hand side page of your lab manual. On white page we will draw the diagrams and observation tables. Next thing, diagram and observation table both must be with pencil. Later we will have to convert observation table by writing by pen, but right now you will draw the diagrams definitely with pencil, and the observation tables which must be made on the white paper, they will also be with pencil. Next point is, in some experiments theory or procedure is given very lengthy, so that we have to make short according to our common sense. That means it must include the important points as well as, see, if something is given in 4, 5, 6 sentences, we can make them into 2 or 1 simple sentence. Like that we have to make theory and procedure short. And the next thing is precautions. means minimum 3 precautions we have to write down. Somewhere it's possible that 5, 6, 7, 8 precautions can be given. We have to write down only 3 of the 3 of them. Readings and calculations will be given to you later. Next thing, take care of your handwriting. Obviously you know that the lab manual will have nearly 5 to 10 marks in your internal marks. So now you will prepare your lab manual accordingly. Thank you.